Hey, this is Maddie from Turbot. If you're looking for quick demos of Turbot pipes, then you are in the right place. The Powerpipe Hub has more than 50 mods available for you to use right in pipes to run security benchmarks, control your costs, and visualize your cloud resources across AWS, Azure, GCP, Kubernetes, and more. You can use these mods right out of the box or extend them with your own custom controls and dashboards. However, pipes can also run your own SQL-based dashboards and benchmarks. You've been able to load custom mods into pipes with a private or public GitHub project, but with our new GitLab integration, you can install a custom mod from a private or public GitLab project as well. Here's the custom mod that we're going to be using today. It defines a table driven by a simple SQL query to count the S3 buckets that have versioning enabled or disabled. When we're developing custom mods, we always want to test it locally in Powerpipe to make sure that the mod loads correctly. Looks pretty good. Now let's take a look at this mod in its GitLab project. Here's our mod on GitLab, and notice that the project is set to private. We're going to go ahead and set up our GitLab integration in pipes to provide access to that project. So first, we're going to choose GitLab as the integration type, and then we have to provide a little bit of configuration information. The configuration information that we need for this integration includes the handle, which is the name for this integration inside of pipes, the host, which defaults to gitlab.com, the token, which you'll set up in GitLab. Now, this token can be a personal, group, or project token depending upon your needs, but make sure that it has the API scope permission. And finally, we set the filter path, which controls what projects Pipes has access to. We'll click on Test to make sure we didn't make any typos and confirm that our settings are valid. And once that light is green, we'll go ahead and create that integration. This brings us back to the Pipes integration list with our shiny new GitLab integration all ready for us to use. And since we set this up in a Pipes organization, any workspace in that organization can use this integration. Our workspace doesn't have any dashboards yet, but we can fix that by adding our own custom mod. Since our workspace has an AWS connection, Pipes is going to recommend some mods based on that. But instead, we're going to click on Custom to install ours. Now, the picker is only going to show the project that we have given the integration access to. And we can deploy either from a branch, which will default to main, or from a version constraint using semantic versioning. We're just going to go ahead and use main. Okay, that's done. Let's take a look at the dashboard in Pipes. We can see that table just like we expected it. But let's have some fun now and push a change. We'll go ahead and open up the code, and we're going to change this table to a chart. We'll add it to get, commit, and push that change up to main. Pipes detects the change, updates the mod, and refreshes the dashboard to display the chart. It really is that easy and fast to deploy a change and see it live. If you haven't tried out the power of custom mods and pipes, right now is a great time to get started. Thanks for watching. If your organization could benefit from Turbot pipes, get started with a free developer account at turbot.com/pipes. See the video description for links and details.